How much money you got? A lot. How many problems you got? A lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the very first and possibly the very last cooking video I ever make. I don't know how to cook. All right, let's get into it. We're gonna be cooking spaghetti. Somebody touch my spaghetti. Nani? Hey. So we got the ingredients. We got white onions, bell pepper. Since we really don't know how to cook, we got the swagoo. Ooh, swagoo. Last but not least, we got the ground beef. Ooh, swag. Dude, that's a lot, dude. Oh yeah, I'm also doing like a mukbang. I really don't know if I'm gonna be able to finish it. We should start boiling the spaghetti because that is probably what takes the longest. Let us bring the water to a boil. I like to add a little bit of butter before, and yeah, that's actually gonna be that's gonna take the longest, boiling the noodles. So we gotta wait till that gets into a boil before you start putting the noodles in. All right, swagoo. Okay, next we gotta chop the vegetables. Oh shoot, I should have brought a plate. Hold up, wait a minute. Ay. You know what? F the plate, okay? Shoot, you know what? I don't even know how to chop a bell pepper. Chop it in half first. Ooh. We need a gut. Oh, I made a mistake. Did someone say steak?
Hey, did you say steak?
Should have gutted it first, dude. Mistakes are made. The mistakes were made. I apologize. You guys are probably like, dude, this guy does not know what he's doing. And it's true. It's absolutely true. I really don't know what I'm doing. I have no clue. No clue what I'm doing, dude. Oh my God, this is bad, dude. Sometimes you gotta eat. You gotta eat a little bit while you cook, you know what I'm saying? Oh shoot, something. I apologize. The onion. Ooh. Whoa. Wow. Okay, let's first chop it in half, right? Okay. Let's peel off some of the layers first. Wow. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay. That would be actually a really good cooking show if I had my own cooking show, just all the disasters. Ooh. Okay, so we're almost done. Damn. All right, I did watch a video how to dice an onion, Gordon Ramsay. Let's see how this goes, dude. Done super slow. This dude was cutting the onion super fast. But I've been dicing onions wrong the whole time, dude, until I saw the video. And then he said one more on top. Uh-oh. Okay. And then from here, dude, I don't think I did it right. Hey, shout out to Gordon Ramsay, dude. I don't think I cut it all the way. Actually, you know what? It's actually not that bad. Hey, shout out to Gordon Ramsay, dude. Ooh. Eat up. Sometimes you gotta eat an onion raw, dude. Ooh. 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 Okay. Dude, this is like kind of sketchy. Like, okay, I think this one's good. Okay, next we gotta cook the meat. Gotta cook the meat. Dude, it's a lot of beef, dude. I should have bought a pound, but I think I bought like 2 pounds. 2 pounds of meat. This is a lot of meat. Oh my god, yeah, I don't think I could finish all this. Oh my gosh, dude. Ooh! Ooh, ooh, swagoo. Ooh, ooh, swagoo. Dude, dude, dude. This is way too... This is a lot, dude. Yeah, I thought I was gonna be able to finish all this. It's probably not gonna happen. Oh my, I should have bought a pound. I made a mistake. Mistakes are made. Mistakes are made. Mistakes are made. Oh my gosh, dude. Okay, it looks like it's browning. So okay, so since the water is boiling, what I like to do is shoot ba-doop, shoot ba-doop. I like to break the noodles in half. Obviously, I don't know what I'm doing. Jesus. Oh my god, dude. Okay. All right, cool. Whew. It's possible for the noodles to stick to your pot, so you won't kind of want to stir it. Little B. Ah! Hot! Okay. The heat on low. And introduce. Ooh, ooh, swag goo. All right. Oh my god. Man. Okay, maybe it is enough spaghetti sauce. Ooh, snaps. At first I thought it wasn't enough. Noodles are still cooking. You kind of want to taste test one every now and then to see if they're ready. Jeez. 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 Okay, okay. I'm definitely not gonna be able to finish everything. I think I usually put like a pound. This is like 2.5 pounds. The noodles are pretty much done, dude. They're pretty much done. We're done. It's almost ready. It's almost ready. ready. Oh no. Oh no. Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No. Oh, test. Test. Mic check. Okay. Test, mic check. We are now part in the ASMR part of the mukbang video. Dude, this is a lot. I didn't think it would be this much. But you underestimate my power, huh? ASMR mukbang. Lego. Dude. Okay, so this is actually way more than I thought. I don't have a bowl big enough, dude, to like. I don't have a bowl big enough to hold like. Somebody touching my spaghetti. Ooh. It's hot, dude. I like burned my mouth, dude. Oh my god. Alright. We got this. We got this. Dude, this is so much food, dude. What the hell? Did I not learn my lesson? Okay, we gotta cool it down. This is my first time ever doing a mukbang video, man. Oh, man. But I've always wanted to make a mukbang video. Something I've always wanted to do. The cats. They're not my cats. The cats are... They always play fight. It's like they're tap dancing upstairs. Oh, man. I think I could finish this. It's a lot. So, what I cooked, this is probably half of it. Dude, it's a lot. Man, I'm like a brute, dude. We savages here. Dude, I think I bit off more than I can chew. There's actually a lot, dude. There's so much. Oh man. Man, it's hot. It's hot. Oh my God. Man, I'm not gonna finish this. I feel, oh man. Oh man. I feel myself getting full. I'm not gonna finish this. Oh man. And we're gonna eat spaghetti. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner tomorrow. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Ooh, there's so much. Oh my God. I really underestimated it. Ooh, lordy. Mistakes are made. Oh my God. Good lordy. Good lordy. I'm gonna have to throw in the towel, dude. I'm gonna have to throw in the towel. Uh-oh, the cats are here. Psst. Bree, come here. Help me finish this. Please. Sheldon, come here. Help me finish this. Oh my God, I'm so full. Dude, I feel like it barely made a dent. Oh, lordy. All right, guys, let me know. Let me know if I should make more videos like this, more mukbang. I don't know about cooking because I really can't cook. But yes, let me know. All right, bosses. Damn, I am out, done, son, gone. I feel like Big Chungus right now. Oh my gosh. All right, guys, peace. Are you Big Chungus? Are you doing mukbang right now?